right, let's go ahead and let's see, where's my, there we go. And there's your sell off. Index is selling off right now. Let's see. YouTube should be live now. Yeah, I'm live now. No, he's not. He could dream, but he can't be. One day, he'll figure it out. I mean, he probably left anyway. Oh my God! All right, Justin. That's dope. All right. Where is Sony at here in pre-market? Hey, yo, the swings are in the money. That's dope. Sony swings in the money. Hey, that's awesome. I love it. Yeah, Sony is on fire. I love it. Okay, let's see. We got live going. All right. All right. So let's go ahead and go over the news, guys. It's kind of a slow morning right now. Just watching some of this news, watching the market react, SPY sold off for a minute. Russell definitely sold off. Kind of watching the market absorb this data. Gap was filled, so we've pretty much sitting at the gap fills on both of these. So. Yeah, the Fed employment goal will never be met at this rate, which will probably require more printing. Top of the morning to you as well. All right. What's up, y'all? Is Quinn on right now? I don't know if she's on yet. No. Appreciate the likes, y'all. Okay, so right off the bat, that is big red candle. Okay, so U.S. job growth has been seen slowing as August is Delta variant current curbs service demand. So we have hit that estimate, and now we're seeing that move markets at least back down to support. Most of the gaps that occurred in pre-market have been filled, and a lot of these major ETFs are sitting at support levels now at the moment. But U.S. employment growth likely has pulled back after gaining nearly 2 million jobs in the past 2 months as soaring COVID-19 cases reduced demand for travel and entertainment, but the pace was probably enough to sustain the economic expansion. Uneven recovery for U.S. offshore energy production after Ida. The U.S. Gulf Coast energy companies advanced the recovery from Hurricane Ida on a few fronts, but slipped elsewhere as lack of cruise power and fuel reversed earlier production gains. Beijing city is looking to take Didi under state control. The city of Beijing is taking Chinese ride-hailing firm Didi Global, which is facing cybersecurity investigation, under state control. Prime Minister of Japan steps down, said in a surprise move he would step down, setting the stage for a new premiere after a 1 year tenure marred by unpopular COVID-19 response and sinking public support. So we did see Wall Street futures rise, but they have now fallen while European stocks edged lower as investors prepare to recalculate their Fed tapering bets on the backs of the U.S. payroll data that has just come out. Subdued dollar lifted gold prices. Japanese shares jumped with the Topix index hitting a more than 3-decade high. Oil prices gained as a rebound in global demand was widely expected. We missed. I did grab a Sony call, yes. I did. Towards the end of the day, I grabbed a Sony call. Cheap one. Figured why not. It was in trend. So I think we may end up swinging Sony over the weekend. I may end up going long on that one. We'll see how the price action is today. If the market starts pulling back, then there's probably no swing there. So unless we bounce. I mean, if they pull back and then we don't bounce. So rather. So a couple stocks. Roku. Amazon's putting out their own TV service, basically like Roku type deal, and so Roku shares actually fell, and we also saw a lot of insider selling. Let's see, Pfizer, Australia will receive an additional 4 million doses of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine this month after agreeing to a swap deal with Britain to help accelerate its vaccination program amid a record surge of infections. A deal announced by Prime Minister Scott Morrison will double the availability of Pfizer vaccines this month, and with the shipment of vaccines from Britain expected to move over the weekend. Wow. Okay. And one thing to ponder over today is the FD vaccine advisors face one question: are COVID-19 boosters needed? Advisors to the U.S. Food and Administration are expected to discuss two key questions as they meet on September 17th to consider a COVID-19 vaccine booster campaign this fall that could benefit stocks like Pfizer and Moderna. Some analyst upgrades. Jefferies has raised their price target of AMD to 127 after 110, believing that the company's server share gains will accelerate in H2 2021-2022, and AMD will move upmarket in notebook, which should lead to an additional margin upside. You're still in Sony? Nice. I'm waiting till closer to October. I did have a weekly on Sony as kind of like because the way that Sony moves, it either makes its move or it doesn't. And the cost of the contract was relatively low, so I went ahead and I bought one. I'll double check that. I know that quite a few people are still long on Sony. That's the one beautiful thing about Sony is when it decides to, and it's at lows. So I'm curious with the Christmas season coming up, if Sony might not be a good long swing where we could actually set up some type of bull spread on it. So probably not anytime soon, my guy. NVIDIA price target raised to 260 by Jefferies. They reflect increased conviction that the company's data center business is accelerating and will continue to build software offerings. I am going to write down AMD. We're going to go over some levels here for scalping really quickly. Oh my god. I am so sorry, everybody here on Discord. I had no idea I was muted. The whole dingus.
IMPL. Impel Neuropharma announces US FDA approval of Trudesha nasal spray for the acute treatment of migraine.
Migraine nasal spray.
Shares were halted ahead of this news.
Ahead of the news. IMPL Neuropharma. Wow. IMPL FDA approval. Let's go ahead. I'm going to drop that on right here. Also to the IMPL. I'm hyped too. Yo, nice job, dude. Great job. Halted. Thank you, Opticy. Alright, well that one's going to be on the radar here as well today. We'll see what that one does. That's big news. Alrighty, so seeing some new lows on QQQ, SQQQ, TQQQ. Let's go take a peek at some charts. So far here in pre-market, Sony, unaffected by any pullbacks, has gapped up from its level of 105. Right now, sitting at a pretty 108.21. So that swing is in the money. Deep in actually, those of you who are long and held those Sonys, you guys are now deeper in the money. So it's up to you on whether you want to take profit or not. You're in 110s, solventless. Beautiful. Yeah, so you're getting closer to being in the money. You have what looks almost to be either, you could call it a double bottom, triple bottom, but a beautiful bounce off that supply zone. So I think we'll see some solid continuation. But let's go ahead, let's dive into, so I want to take a look at Roku really quick. And it's 8:54, so we're going to take a look at the major indexes. They're kind of pulling back. So Roku, y'all, now of course stifled by the Amazon news. Let me pull up my chart, make sure we're on live here in the Discord. Okay, so on Roku, and those of you here, I am on YouTube Live now. The link is in the bio if you guys wish to see my screen and whatnot. Yeah, migraine nasal spray, IMPX. IMPL, excuse me. I wonder if that will have effect on things like cluster headaches and stuff. All right. So with Roku, we are at that 336 support so far here in pre-market, trading off or selling off really, really hard. I imagine somebody who swung a Roku put, they're probably banking right now. So you have cruised below. I mean, you do have that pre-market low right there, but I think that Roku is due for some sort of bounce coming off of that 336 level. If you go and look back out though, you'll see that the potential for a double bottom could occur here. I don't think, and I'd like to talk with Manny, maybe a couple other people, what their opinions are of, what are the implications of Amazon jumping into this type of business, that Roku has been, I wouldn't say dominating, but one thing I want to bring to your attention here is that the 200-day EMA, and we'll take away these lines really quick. The 200-day EMA,
General Motors, seen a
GM
report from
News.
CNN that General Motors will shut down production at most of its North American plants for a week or
GM.
two, starting next week, as the worsening chip shortage takes another.
GM is shutting down for a week. GM shutting down for a week due to chip issues. GM. Sorry, my news releases on Discord are bad. I have to put them together. So we're gonna go ahead and tweet that. Oh no. Wow. I wonder if we'll start seeing GM start selling off here. They actually have a bit of a bear flag. That one will be on watch as well. I'm going to write that down. So I will be watching, of course, Roku. Right now, the range is pretty wide for where we're at with Roku, but I do think that we could possibly catch this for a decent bounce, maybe even retesting 345. If those of you who are new scalpers, you can use your pivot points. Those will update at the bell. But the previous day's pivot point was around 343.58. So that could be a potential retest. I like to use my hourly, or in this case, probably my 5-minute EMAs as levels. So right here we have 340. That's a psychological number. If you break past 340, the next psychological number is going to be 345, but 343.60 is that first one. So you're opening up right now, or you have another 30 minutes, but right now you have a bit of a bear flag. And like I said, if Roku breaks here, that's going to, I would say, maybe 332, 330 on the dot. But it would definitely be primed for some sort of bounce at that level, even if it did see continued downside, which would obviously, we would need to be careful. So there has been a lot of insider selling on Roku. So PRG, yeah, so PROG, excuse me, Progenity was brought up to me yesterday, and I actually I have to concur. It's a pretty interesting looking setup. Right here, so this actually has the setup to be one of my favorite setups. Is a EMA crossover for a long swing or even a day trade EMA crossover on especially 15-minute and hourly time frames. Probably one of my favorite day trading setups with high volume. Those three, and you have a good mixture, and a lot of times you can just wait for find that correlating bullish moving average and find where it rides. So right now you seem like you're pretty squeezed up against that 200-day EMA. You have 1, 2, 3, you've really been heavily consolidated underneath it. But seeing how much respect the 1 hour 200-day EMA is garnishing right now, a candle open, right, and push off of the 200 would likely signify further upside. So that's my opinion there. So
uCloud Link cooperates with Singapore edtech company Jules to bring fail-proof connection solutions to the education sector. That's UCL.
Is Amazon an uptrend or downtrend today? I'll take a look at it. Okay, so Roku. We'll be watching Roku today. I'm just going to show you guys a couple of levels. Obviously, pre-market lows is 335. So below 335, looks like it's already pushing down lower. We'll give it a few minutes to correct. AMD receiving price target upgrades. Let's go pull this back out. So as far as AMD is concerned, Um, thank you. Appreciate it. This is my favorite cup. I'm not allowed to do that. Favorite cups. Okay, so with AMD, I was kind of battling with myself on whether or not I should use these moving average or this support line as my support, because I do see this wick here, right? So this wick right here, it's kind of, I was like, why are we getting that super duper strong wick? Although there are two wicks right there that are showing more respect, and as you can see here on the 4 hour, we're currently underneath that support. So AMD below 106.65, and actually we could see a trip back down to 107.
KBSF,
but it's
KBS
also
Fashion Group out with their
KBSF.
first half results.
Oh, I'm not concerned with that.
Spiking here right now. H1 revenues of 12.7 million
KBS.
versus the 4.5 million year over year. Shares are moving higher here, up around 14%
Hold on.
in KBSF.
KBSF. KBSF. Eyes on KBSF with earnings data coming out right here. Looks like they have beat earnings. Sorry guys, trying to cover the news too. There it is right there. Total revenue. Oh wow, they're up 183% year over year. Might be one to watch too. Those of you in the Discord, I'm gonna slap this in here. Oh shit. Okay. So anyway, on AMD here, just a real quick idea of what I'm looking for. Break below these lows of 108.80, like I was talking
Ben's in
about.
the market update. S&P futures up 4.50. The Dow futures up 29. Nasdaq
All right, hold on,
is up 9. Crude is
I gotta
up
mute
39.
you, buddy. Sorry. You're breaking my train of thought. So a recovery on AMD. Pre-market highs are all the way up at 110. And pre-market lows are currently down around 109.13. So there's a wide range on this one as well. So it's going to require a little bit more time in order to get an idea of where it's going to be headed, either to the up or the downside. So let the trade come to you. Don't chase a trade. Let's see. Sony, I want to cover that one just because the swing trade is green. Obviously, we saw a little sell-off here, but showing already some strength, sitting at 107, right underneath 108. My feelings on this one are just set some alerts at certain price marks, maybe 108 and pre-market highs. If it moves there, maybe you could add a contract, but we'll watch this one for a potential swing. The daily, because we're swinging it, we're looking at a higher time frame. That higher time frame here is looking really good for potential continuation, breaking that long downtrend with even just the simple HMA 110 call coming after the 106.15 break. Or excuse me, not 106, but we've broken that 106.16. So we're above, as you can see, that top 106 break, which should signify continued upside to a minimum of 110.75, I think, with another good swing. So we'll be watching this one for continuation here. Oftentimes, when Sony gets too ahead of itself as far as the 9-day moving average and some of its bullish moving averages are concerned, it will pull back. So if you're long, stay long. And utilize those weeklies if you start to see weakness. So this is a purely swing trading stock. It's not a stock that you can really do much over there else. What's that one? Right. I don't know if y'all on YouTube can tell, but I used my fiance's shampoo today, and now my hair is just, it's like the worst. I can't stand it. Who is talking? Who do you mean who is talking? Is there somebody talking? great today? Oh god, thank you. Spicy. Luxurious hair. The guy? Oh, that guy? That's the Benzinga Pro man. Yeah, he's telling us the news. That's the beautiful thing about Benzinga. That's why I love Benzinga, because of that reason alone. Is because I can't be watching news, trade, like it's a lot, you know. So we find things that work for us. You know, for me, I can't focus on a lot of things. I can focus on a lot of things at once, but I can only do them, like, I can look at the chart and trade, and then I have to like look at the news and then go right back, you know. So like for me, I just need to hear what's the most important, and they do a really good job of kind of skipping over the stuff that I don't need to see, like couples psychologist and some news for, so I don't mean, like, it's just kind of silly stuff that doesn't really matter to me. So it's not a Bloomberg terminal, no, but it is comparable news wise as far as, oh wow, DD shares spiking up here. IMPO re-halted. That's pretty big. That's pretty big. I'm interested in this one for sure. Okay, you know what else I wanted to kind of watch today? So Amazon. Amazon is starting the day in a downtrend, right? So here's your downtrend. You'll see the HMAs kind of creeping up. I think this may be one. Here, let me show you before I go off on this rant. So here's your uptrend, right? And let's go to the 1 hour. So uptrend here. And currently, now this is the one thing about Fridays that can be really, really frustrating. So I want you guys to be really careful. Don't lose money today. If you open up green on a swing, or you catch a scalp in the first 5 minutes of the day, have perspective. If you made $500 and you have a small account, or $1,000, $5,000 account, $10,000 account, that's an awesome day, and you can walk away from that. So, my Ethereum is juicy. Yeah, that's dope. Okay, so RCKY, only a few analysts on it, expecting a 95% increase in revenue from last year. Right now on track to do 65% of their latest 10Q. Price targets around 70 to 75. That reminds me of BDP that we took around their 20s. They've got a big runner. We're on YouTube if you guys want to look at some charts. So Benzinga. The link is down below. Those of you guys who want to try that out on YouTube. It is literally one of my favorite tools. If I didn't have that, I usually have some type of other news flow coming in or something like that. So okay. So what I was going to say about Amazon is I want you guys to be really careful, because it may present a better swing, right? Look at where the hourly 50-day EMA is at. It is at the gap fill, right? So I would suspect that if you can catch the top on Amazon, so if Amazon shoots up, or even if Amazon goes and retest this downtrend, right? So you can draw that downtrend for yourself. But if it goes and retests that downtrend, then you may be able to take it for a pullback down to that gap fill. But I would just highly recommend being careful, because that's where that 50-day EMA is, and would likely be, it's just very tightly consolidated, and you don't want to get caught in a bounce, especially with any weekly contracts. So is going on.
CBCO, Capco Industries, Comments on SEC complaint. Charlie Victor, Charlie Oscar.
Zoom. Ooh. So Zoom has pretty much got your typical bear flag looking thing right here. I mean, it's just sitting. Not much price action happening. Volume is dying down. Looks like here in pre-market, not much happening here either. Lower time frame level, support level right here. So more than likely below 294. I would say you're taking a trip back down to 291.85. That would make for your third tap of this support level. And if you end up hitting that level of 290 and breaking on Zoom, you will more than likely continue to the downside. So remember, GM has news this morning that they will be shutting down some of their plants. So I think I may be looking to take them short below 48.75. Immediate target is 48.50. It's not a lot. There's a gap to fill. I think I want to take it to the $48 level. If you go and take I don't know why my support's right there. I think we could see 47.67. It might be good to go long on that one. I don't know if it's much. Can you make a video on how to buy an NFT? I mean, I'm not like that an expert where I could. I mean, I can make one. I know how, but I'm not. I'll just state that I'm not an expert or anything like that, because I'm not on NFTs. I am trying to make a bag, but yeah. All right, so let me split this up. Collagen Therapeutics getting whacked this morning. Sucks. Yeah, they're still halted. I don't know. Let's see. The VINC, that's got a double bottom on the daily. Looks like he broke out of a flag. It's pretty low liquidity, so you're seeing a little bit of weird movement, but it looks like it's in the trend to the upside, so Sava's moving. That response from Sava's CEO was sorry. I'm sorry. I think that man really said, I think these allegations are not true. You gotta be. You don't use that word. That's like a $20 million word right there, dude. You're about to lose half your company. They are moving in pre-market though. Fubo is another one to watch, guys. I really think that Fubo is going to pull back. I know that they shot up on those news, but I think that Fubo below 30.50 may retest, like, obviously the $30 level. If it does not hold 30, it's going back down to 28. So watch Fubo to pull back as well. So Mamat. I'll be right back, guys. Hold on one second.
IMPL, resuming trade now. India Michael Papa Lima. Impel Neuropharma.
Yeah. All right.
There's
I'll see you later.
38.56.
All right.
What
What time is it? 9:16.
Nasal spray for migraine.
Immat. What is that?
That's NDMI for Papa Lima. Now hitting $40 at the high, up about $17.
Hey, I missed. That was a terrible time to. Yo, IMPL. Hold on. Wait for the flush to see if we can get a flush. Keep that one on watch. It's 9:17, but this thing is moving extremely fast. And if you're going to get in, you're going to have to, those of you in equity, all right, watch for this bounce here. Look at this 1 minute. This is crazy. I think this got more. That is insane. What an insane push. I've got meta materials here. It looks like on the hourly you're starting to build a rising wedge. Just barely. So you do have the setup for a rising wedge. Watch this one to bounce off 530 and then potentially go make a new high at 650. You hate space, so you just buy puts whenever you can. That's awesome. Yeah, Tesla. Tesla's at support. Tesla, if you don't sleep on it, could hit my target today. Alright, watch IMPL here with the bounce. Let's see, 741. If it hits 741 and breaks, it could actually rip to 750. You could see a big day here on Tesla. And I think that would trap people in Tesla and they'll dump it on Monday. That's just my feelings. The setup here is in a channel, right? And the channel is starting to consolidate with almost like that wedge type look. So I think you're going to get put. Now you could absolutely break that channel and go up into the 800s, but that's all dependent on how we move. So those of you scalping in the Discord, IMPL, it is pulling back here to 35.50. Obviously, looking for a little bit of a curl here. We're starting to see a little bit of weakness in that pullback here. So we're going to look at trying to grab a little dip on this one. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, of course. You can actually tell that VINC just by the way that it moves. So if you see irregular, almost like robotic type candlesticks, right, where they're very spacey. See how this is very spacey? This can represent low liquidity in a stock. You notice how these candles don't quite build like they should. Okay, IMPL, guys, I think I'm going to buy just a little bit right here at 37.36, and we'll size up at 39. If anybody's going to okay, nice. 35, nice dip buy, dude. I'm trying to read the news and do stuff. Nice dip, dude. Let's see if we get that. If you curl up, what an amazing fill. Don't go full size. So if we pull back here, you know that you're like, okay, cool. That's all right with me because I just want to make sure that I'm getting a good fill on the curl up. So let's wait for a little pullback here. Thoughts on crypto miners today? Good question. So Riot, I imagine, is not a little gap up here today. Not much. All right, I'm grabbing. We'll see how this candle closes here. I like it though. I like IMPL so far. I like IMPL for the run. Okay, good. Alright, make sure my squawk box is on. No, you're good. Okay. Nope. He's talking. New high right there. Hey, do keep your eyes on KBSF. KBSF. They did have earnings today, and they did well. And they're up in pre-market anywhere above $6, and this thing could really see some movement. Yo, Microsoft is also going to be on watch. I think $300 puts. There's a gap to fill to $299.50. Now, if that's not enough for you to take, you could potentially take the bounce, but I don't even know if Microsoft is going to bounce. Looking at the setup right now, you have a very, some could argue that the like on a daily time frame, you have
Entergy announcing
a little bit of a flag.
Times of power restoration for customers impacted by Hurricane Ida.
But I do think that we could see some a significant pullback underneath this 9-day moving average. So be careful on this one, but Microsoft is another one that I could potentially be taking to the downside. The S&P is pulling back, selling off right now, along with the Qs. All right, look, a little curl here. Those of you, if you guys want, Discord, or excuse me, YouTube is in the bio. I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. TikTok. TikTok. All right, man your positions. I'm seeing a little bit of weakness here on IMPL, so we'll see what happens. Don't sleep on this one though. It's got real news. Let me get an emoji in the chat if you guys on YouTube would like. If you guys will leave a like on YouTube, maybe just throw an emoji in the chat. And we'll stay live for Power Hour. So I'll look at Fastly. Thank you, Fiscatiati. Hey. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys. All right. Remember, GM might be taking GM to the downside, 47.65. They're shutting down for an entire week. An entire week they're going to be shut down. Thank you guys, those of you on YouTube. Appreciate you. What the fuck? People go low on a short term. Oof. Yeah, right. Appreciate you guys. All right, starting to fill. I'm going to fill just into a little bit here. Another buy on IMPL. Watch Tesla above that 742 and below 725 is the real bet, but that's a big move, of course. All right, a little bit more into IMPL above 36, adding to IMPL. I'm not in a big size. No, I'm not.
Yo,
Yo,
what's
Manny.
up, Brody?
What's up, dude?
What's up, Manny?
What's up, guys? How are you?
Good, man. Rating this scalps a bail.
Just wanna say real quick so everybody does know. Most of the indexes, like the Nasdaq, for example, it's literally at a support zone that it keeps bouncing. We bounced before. S&P, same thing. The Dow, I don't even think that thing trades anymore.
Stop trying to short
It's
America.
just been short in range, yeah. So that's not short America today. That's long Bitcoin. Today's one of those days. But the NFP numbers were not good at all. We actually missed estimates pretty hard.
Yeah.
I'm not like looking to risk. I'm not really focused on that. I'm only watching Riot just because of Bitcoin. And also next week's 37 calls, dude, listen to this. Next week's 37 calls have 36,000 open interest.
Oh my.
Every others have like 2K, which is pretty crazy. So there's a big money bet on that.
Right.
And then yeah, and then pretty much I am watching Roku for some rejections if it decides to stop dropping now. But again, it's not something I am really like focused on. I just don't like how the NFP numbers were.
Yeah, I mean, it might be one of those days where we're just sitting and waiting for the real true reaction, 15, 20 minutes, because
Yep.
we'll see what happens. We'll see what the move, because Tesla looks crazy. Like, Tesla could actually go and bounce to 750, but just at the same time, it's actually at support for the third time on this uptrend. And usually the rule of thumb is 3 times in a break. And I'll post this in the chat. So look at Tesla right now.
The thing with Tesla is that Tesla will fake you out literally
Yeah.
at
And that's why I said
critical levels.
set that range, like let the trade come to you. 720. It's a lot to let Tesla fall, but it may be one of those things where you just can't trade it today. But look at those candles.
No,
Like look
no,
at every
Tesla,
those are 4 hour candles. Each one of those is somebody's nightmare.
yeah, they're pretty scammy. It's just not worth the risk. And
Yeah.
Tesla, and I haven't traded Tesla 0DT I think since like 3 weeks. I haven't traded 0DT in general in a couple weeks.
Yeah.
I just don't like the
NCR.
spread, and like you have a big spread, volatile contracts. That's just a
Secure.
scam. If you size up.
Announcing record-breaking second quarter financial results,
Couple
4
seconds,
times
it's
year-over-year
All right.
revenue
You
growth.
ready to take profit here on Sony? If you're in the
Revenue
weeklies.
of $17 million Canadian,
Roku.
increase of 400% year-over-year and 37%.
Oh, also
growth.
puts
Oh
on
my God,
Roku
Roku.
will be insanely expensive.
KCU,
So
that's,
don't
Indian
short
November
red,
Charlie
short
Romeo.
green.
KCU, Kansas City Southern.
Listen to what he just said. Short green,
Board
not
to
red.
deem Canadian Pacific.
IMPL
Euro
starting to
Pacific
curl just a
Pacific
little bit here.
That from CNBC. That's Kilo Sandy.
All right, good luck,
Uniform,
everybody.
And
Practice
Charlie
proper risk
Papa.
management and don't over risk.
KC Southern
Friday.
Board expected
And we're live.
likely to
Ding,
open
ding.
books with Canadian Pacific.
Oh,
All
wow.
right,
Ooh.
Kilo Sandy
Roku.
Uniform and
watching Riot off the bat.
Is that gap filling down?
CP Charlie Papa.
No, not yet. Apple's trying to move. Don't fall for this.
Ooh, 237% on Sony.
Sweet.
Hey.
Facebook dropping.
Yeah. Riot is starting to want to pull back. All right, Riot's from the back.
Wham bam, thank you, Sony.
Nvidia, big wig going green. Apple breaking ATR right here.
Microsoft bouncing, Tesla bouncing.
Yeah,
Roku,
S&P
Roku
Alex,
volume.
right now.
Neuropharma off the highs at a high of $45.
Dip buyers stepping up
that
on Roku
FDA
right now, I
at
think.
33.
Watch Riot, guys.
42%. That's India Michael Papa Lima.
Riot running or Riot dying?
It's trying to go. No, it's trying to go to the other side. I'm just waiting till it breaks out.
Oh, nice bounce off of that. You got the 5-minute 500.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Cash out on the Sony, baby. Look at Mara. Yeah, I'm watching Mara. I'm watching Riot with Manny. I don't know if it gap filled. Yo, Roku. How low can you go?
Watch Riot right here, about to break out.
What are you taking? 37s?
Yeah, 37's next week's.
Fubo just crossed 30.50. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from that one. IMPL pulling
S&P
back here a little
500
bit,
Dow
guys. My
Jones
stop loss
Industrial
is
Average
to
down
28. Probably the gap fill. To be honest with
Nasdaq
you, I don't really
Composite
know
down
if it's gonna
0.1%
bounce
after
there.
the open.
Honestly, I'm in such a light load that I really don't mind like holding, even if it does close into that gap and bounce. This is really big news, and I think that if anything, they'll force it down. Oh wow, Tesla is heading for pre-market lows here.
Right, it's staggering a bit, but there's volume. Volume's going stupid.
I know the call. I'm watching the. Oh my god, the calls are fluctuating. Oh, that's a big lot. Someone just bought a lot of Riot.
Break out, break out. There we go. Ask,
Hey,
ask. 8 and up.
Netflix?
Ask at 8 and up.
Hey, Netflix.
There's Riot.
Oh wow, nice.
They ate up the ask like it was no tomorrow.
What did you say?
But they ate up the ask. There's heavy ask orders now. We're losing 37.
Sony going for the gap. Well, I guess really doesn't go for gaps, but it's trying. Netflix pre-market lows, guys. I may short Netflix. It just retested the very same resistance that it broke. In fact,
Riot is green.
do you think Netflix can drop because of that news too with Amazon?
I was thinking the same thing, but it's Netflix.
It is, but it just ripped for 3 days straight. And its support is 580. What are our major indexes doing? Bouncing like crackheads, of course. Netflix puts coming in, say no more, Poppy. Oh my gosh. Man, he's about to slap me through the internet for saying that.
No, it's okay. I don't like Riot. I don't like how easily they're giving up the bids. So I'm just gonna close it. Next leg up.
How many minutes until this 5-minute candle closes?
Couple
If
seconds.
you close this candle this way, I think you'll be good to go. As long as you close like this. Alright, Netflix puts. I'm honestly
there we go,
watching the
Riot. There we go.
585. I'm taking puts. I'm going 585.
Alright, next leg up. I'm out on Riot.
Great job. Alright.
Order filled. Congrats.
Nice.
Alright,
I'm filled at 194. Filled on Netflix at 194. Stop loss right now is going to be around basically the break above 589.63. I'm in Netflix to the downside. All right, I am trimming out of Netflix now. All right, and I'm going to hold the rest of these for a break of pre-market lows. Obviously, that was a heavy scalp.
Yeah, Riot was nice. Next
That was
week's
good.
was paying nice because zero DTEs are not moving that great. I have both of them loaded up, but next week's are paying nice. DJ, you made 19 bucks. I made 200, so yeah, you filled right with me then. What was your average? I had 207.
Ooh, Roblox got crushed.
Yeah, me too. I
Yeah.
always fill before the break.
I'm really considering sizing into Netflix here.
What's?
Yeah, look at the pre-market is 586.
Yeah.
It got to bounce off 585, but I shorted the top.
Oh, nice. You guys had really good averages on Riot too. You guys got better average than me. I had 207.
QCOM. QCOM. What's going on with QCOM? Okay. All right, come on, Netflix. Let's go. 587 break to the downside. That's a level right there. Buyers are sitting at 587. I need sellers to take it down. Yo, actually, QCOM, that candle on the hourly is pretty convincing. Google selling off. Sony? Yeah, Sony's pulling back. That's why I took profit at the bell. Come on, Netflix. Do you want to die? I'm sorry. Now.
Roku did not head for that rejection.
Oh, let's
on,
go. Let's go. Let's go. 24%.
Yeah, dude,
let's go.
You rejected the point of control. You're gonna head down.
Woo.
And the Nasdaq is going red.
Woo.
Buy
Let's
is
go.
red. Teslaing.
Let's see 585. That's 25%. Trim out. I'm trimming
Hey
out just
guys,
a little
VIX,
bit. Woo.
VIX is over 1680. That means we're gonna drop. If we hold above 1680, we're going to 1720.
Yo, look at that 5-minute candle on Riot. That's a bounce.
Yeah. That pin bar, that shit was nice.
Yeah. Woo! Let's go, Netflix! Let's go. 585.
Yeah,
Let's
I'm
go for the
supposed to do
5.
a runner on Riot. Oh well.
Go, 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 go. Pre-market lows. Let's go.
Yeah, S&P heading down. Nasdaq is
Nasdaq going down. Let's go.
Nasdaq pivot point is 155555555.
Woo! Let's go, chat. Let's go. All right, if you guys want to leave a runner or two on Netflix, that's probably pretty acceptable because we still haven't broken pre-market lows. What do you think about Netflix right now?
It's just doing that because the Nasdaq
That's the
Sunny
200
was
and the
hitting
5.
support.
Yeah. That was a good scalp, though.
Yeah.
Riot pulled back right there at the last few seconds of that 5-minute candle there.
Okay.
Nice job. 220 fill, 285 sell, 277 sell. Nice job. $1,000 on Riot. Nice job. Beautiful. I still like Netflix to the downside here. I'm gonna let it 587. Really, that was the point of control. I need the rejection there to leave a runner or two. And this is exactly, you size in and you have points in which you take profit to pay for the trade. So right now, if this reverses and the contract goes from 50% or 40% down to nothing, I'm okay with that. So, but I would really like it if it didn't.
The ride's starting to head down. It's trying to hold the point of control of 3680, but my money can do whatever it wants.
KPLT, Catapult.
No, I'm not gonna watch no more
Holdings
rejections
getting
on
a pop
Roku.
here.
Roku was.
Note from
Here's the thing:
KeyBank,
for rejections
Capital
like this,
Markets
especially after a
being
drop
circulated.
like that, ideally you want to see the
mentioned potential
algorithms try to
Amazon
push
opportunities
up
for
and
the
take the
company
stock
that's
higher, right? That's where you get the
Kilo
rejections because
Tango.
that's where technical buyers are lined up, ready to short. And Roku is not doing none of it; it's just sitting there. I just wouldn't do it.
Riot reversed immediately. Great job exiting that. Can we get a move down?
I'm just
on
surprised.
Netflix?
I exited with limit order and I got filled.
PayPal.
Ooh, PayPal? Who said PayPal? I love me some PayPal. Ooh.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh no, but it's right out of range.
ASON is holding up pretty good.
Come on, Netflix. Go down, stupid. Maybe I shouldn't call
Heck,
it
you gotta
this.
post when you do those leaps, man. Like the one you did on a firm, bro.
Well,
Ouch.
Yeah,
That was a sick. that was a sick news though. That was, bro,
that was
for
crazy.
a company
I
like
didn't
that.
expect that.
Yeah, that's some crazy news. But you know what? It's pretty like I don't want to say it's obvious that Amazon would do it because who the hell would do that with Amazon at the end of
Come
the day?
on, short Netflix.
But it's pretty smart of them.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, dude, I didn't expect it to shoot up the way it did. I just got really lucky on that, but
What are the Qs
Yeah.
doing?
worked out.
Yeah, Qs are going green. Watch the video. I just broke its ATR right here.
Netflix
Yeah,
is
shit might be
diverging
doing
though.
well.
It's pulling back. Are we going to expect a bounce instead of a break?
I know that was a sick trade.
Coming up
Thank you,
at
bro.
And the video's going stupid.
9:45,
but there's no
the
volume.
services PMI. Expecting 55.2 market composite PMI.
PMI is coming out.
55.4 expected.
Just a second. What the?
Yeah, that was a sick bounce on Tesla. Sick, but I love when stocks do that.
Uh-oh.
But it needs to go higher because you see when you bounce into VWAP, just bounce.
What are you doing, Netflix? This is so boring.
A bounce is
It's just a runner, but what?
No, that a bounce is like you just break out. You literally just go stupid and heads to height of day. Because what you're getting there are just covers, and then you're gonna have people shorting at VWAP.
APL
Did anyone take this ASON play with me yesterday?
$6 call.
I missed that.
Sweep.
It's up
along with
80%.
that note from KeyBank.
Damn, dude. Nice
Positive
job.
note. Kilo
PayPal's looking pretty damn good. But I'm trying to watch this runner on Netflix here. Damn. Don't do this today. Damn it, Netflix.
Please, Netflix, I have a fact.
I mean, it's fine. Netflix can do it, but I mean, I'm green on that whole trade. That trade was great, but I just would have. I would like to see downside continuation because it's technically already broken support. But I do have a family, so.
Well, where did that come from? Like, who was it that?
Somebody on YouTube. I think it was Nadim. Yeah, was it Nadim? Someone asked me about Disney, and it was just the way they worded it. They were like, they didn't even. I screenshotted that like that way because like they were they were with their family, and he was like, "I'm pleased. I'm with my. Please, I have a family. Like I'm trying to."
Yeah, he was just saying it. Like, that's
Reddit.
your question, but it made it. It looks like he was saying, "Please,
Yeah,
Disney, have a
Upstart.
family."
Upstart.
resuming after a circuit
Hey,
breaker
shop
halt
is
on
getting
Stone
nasty
Bravo.
volume.
Oh my God, Upstart. What the fuck? All right, I'm buying the dip on Netflix if it's gonna do this shit.
All right, look at Roku. You see Roku setting up. Now it's trying to go green. It's trying to break its ATR. You're gonna watch those 340s, Big Stepper? Oh my God, I can't, dude. I just saw how that thing ticked. I have PTSD. I got grinded one time on Roku puts. Nope, never mind. Damn, that's crazy. It's like I have really felt like a PTSD just looking at that tick, bro.
Adding
Do you
the
remember
lemonade.
Gary that day? I got grinded nasty, dude.
I think I do remember that. Yeah.
It was like
IHS
volume pops. It was
market
somebody
August
accumulating
composite
right when it
PMI
would go down.
55.4.
I was like,
Final
please,
services
Kathy, I have
PMI
a family.
55.1.
Wow, Roku 340s are so expensive right now, and Netflix is trying to edge up. I don't think Netflix is going to go down now that I'm looking at the 200 bounce. This thing would have to pretty
S&P
much
futures
completely
are,
reverse. S&P
Wall
futures
Street
trend.
is now 45.24, down 11.
S&P futures are like, it's still red.
Yeah. What about the Russell? Russell's rejecting.
I don't look at the
Or not
the
Russell,
Nasdaq.
Nasdaq.
Dude, the Nasdaq, you know what's the issue? That tech is
IRNC.
bouncing because of the bad
Net
numbers.
resuming trade now in the Romeo November Tango.
Because it, like I said, it was. Look, let me just show you a screenshot. It was that pivot.
Oh no, that wasn't you. That's right. I said I was screaming when Tesla call was big. Yeah, that's right. You woke up your family. No, it was somebody else. Yeah, I forgot. Dude, Netflix is so scammy.
Oh, is China moving green? Yeah,
What?
Ride's trying to go green also. That was a nice bounce on the ATR.
Oh, Baidu.
But I'm good.
I'm done. I can't trade Baidu until something real happens.
Yo, right, dude?
woo.
I see the chart set up all the time.
Look at that Netflix rejection, though. All right.
ATR rejection. Holy shit, docu. Look at that volume.
Oh, I'm missing it.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Heck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Damn, dude, that volume is stupid, bro.
JVia.
Oh yeah, we still talking about that stuff. Oh
Yeah,
god,
right.
Nvidia. Yeah, dude, everything's going green. Nvidia's going stupid right now. On low volume. God, I hate this.
Figure out where the fuck excuse me. I just want to try to figure out what I want to do with my runner on Netflix, dude. Because I feel like this thing could dump. I really do. It's everything. I'm looking at the hourly chart, everything.
Dude, I did not know it was at all times high. And I just remembered we were trading Netflix at all times high the day of the inauguration. Don't you remember that day?
I do. Yo,
That was the
volume.
day after earnings.
Dude, volume on PayPal at the end of the day yesterday was stupid crazy. What the fuck? Okay, Netflix is going for low of day here.
Please, Netflix.
Please, Netflix. My kids, they'll have a family one day too. Are you really gonna? You're gonna look me in the eyes right now, Netflix. I have a family.
Oh, the Dow is dump a. I should have just shorted the Dow.
Yo, DocuSign though. What? WTF, man?
ELTR is moving pretty good too.
PLTR.
Oh,
that's a big
shit.
dingus.
Oh, Big Stepper, we're rejecting 340, but we're squeezing on the TTM, bro. Nope.
Don't short America. Short Netflix.
When I see the red dot on the TTM, I start sweating.
I want to see a pre-market low break of Netflix. So Tesla, what had happened on it? I'm learning it to. Nice. Learning it to where you're comfortable using it. That's good. That's exactly how you're supposed to implement it. Yeah. I just put some weird kicker in there. Tesla. Oh my gosh, nice bounce.
IRNT, IronNet seen
Docu, bro.
Let
What
that
the
candle
fuck?
close.
some call activity, September 10th.
How are docus zero DTEs? Are they tight spread or
Hitting a high
what?
of $18.57.
Less
ND Romeo
than
November
$7
Tango.
is a tight spread. Over $7, I'm not doing shit.
Alright. What do we got with the Rust?
Oh hell no! That's a $30 spread. Nope.
Alright, either Q's
Nvidia
pop
is
here.
moving.
Because this is really, dude, this price action right now on
Coming up
Netflix
at
is
10.
garbage.
Yeah,
ISM
dude,
Just
you
cut
got
this
drop?
runner and just leave it
Non-manufacturing
alone. Yeah,
high.
I mean, I'm green on everything so far, so it's a great day. But yeah,
The thing is that we're chopping on low volume, so if we get a volume spike, you could make money on a short, or you just get grinded.
yeah, exactly.
Meat grinder mode.
Come on, short it. Woke up today and chose violence with Netflix. Do you think if I go on Twitter and beg for Netflix to go up, that market makers will see it and they'll short it? Like a reverse psychology on that. I'm just kidding. They have Twitter chatterbots,
cat.
you know. Cat down, cat up.
Cat.
Long cat or short cat?
Did someone say long cat?
Long cat. Very long cat. Low volume.
AMD.
Hey, Garrett, don't get rid of that runner yet. Qs are rejecting VWAP.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
By the way, if anybody uses TraderView and TradeStation, I doubt anybody does. Probably the only crazy one here that tracks my performance.
RNGER.
But they already
RNGR,
fixed their little
Ranger
issues they were
MG
having.
Services, naming Stuart Bodden as president and CEO. That's Romeo November Golf Romeo.
Alright, just die. Thank you. Now, death. Death. Giant red flush. Isn't there such thing as a flush in gambling or something like that? Or something like that? Card buy. Oh, Microsoft going for 300 too. Yo, Microsoft looks scammy as hell.
I only traded that once.
It's a good swing. All right.
Yeah, I got you.
31% on the runner. Are we going in the money? Netflix?
Oh yeah, Netflix is heading down.
Netflix?
Jeez, Netflix.
EME,
Die.
10-cent music, Tango Michael Echo. The October $9 call, active 1,500 contracts, Tango Michael Echo.
Proud is
Nice, big stepper. The squeeze is probably a squeeze to the
ELCU.
downside, especially now with the Qs trying to go red. Netflix is
Oh,
gonna
let's
break that low.
go.
DocuSign.
A bid, like you could
being
short
mentioned
Netflix if the
as
bids
the
lose
Internet
585.
Business Daily Swing
It's
Long.
gotta
But
lose
remember,
at
the bids,
585.
The uniform.
if the bids lose it, so to the downside, the bids gotta lose and then the
AEO,
ask gotta
American
follow.
Eagle.
This
how it
is
works.
this is
Jim
1,
Cramer.
2, 3 off of. There we go.
In his action alerts.
We're at one. We're there.
Equal,
This is
Alpha
where we
Echo
gotta
Alpha.
break it.
Come
on.
Beyond. Holy crap, Beyond.
Come on.
Yeah, Beyond's
Nope.
Beyond's going. If it drops below 100, I'm gonna laugh.
Nope. Sorry guys, I gotta focus. I added. I'm gonna add to Netflix if it breaks. I don't know if it's gonna break. 9-day moving average retest. Hourly candle looks like it's gonna fall. If we bounce here, then we might go to the upside. If it bounces, what are the Qs doing? Qs are rejecting.
Yeah, Qs are trying to head down.
But look at how it just pops back up to 586. Let's see if IMPL is ever going to curl. All right, I think I'm gonna cut at 587, 588 maybe. If we clear there with volume, but right now there's no volume to the upside. Come on, Netflix. I want to see 581.61. That's where I might even just do 582. If we continue to fall. Ooh, I don't know.
Airbnb moving.
Manny, what are your thoughts on Netflix here?
It's because the Qs.
Just retest downtrend, or?
Yeah, the Qs are trying to get above the point of control at 380 pretty much, and then VWAP is literally at 380 as well. So imagine you have two brick walls right there. Oh shit, I forgot. I'm supposed to trade Zoom today. Oh no, but Zoom is not even near. Fuck that! I wouldn't have taken this trade.
All right, if this breaks right here to the upside and doesn't get shorted, then I'll just take it to the upside. Watch Netflix to bounce then. What is fucking the Qs doing?
They're still below. They're trying to go red again.
Make up your mind, Netflix. Fuck, Netflix is gonna bounce. Damn it.
Jeez, Netflix.
Yep. Do you see that? Someone's gonna take
Oh
it.
fuck.
Yeah. I just grabbed a 590 call.
Bro, that goes in the money. You're gonna get some nice pay. Pari papa, pari 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 pari. This is obviously got like his whole account in Docu.
Damn, son.
Great catch, Op. Astro's probably up like 8,000% on that Docu play.
Oh, that was a beautiful bounce off the 200. Wow. That thing could go higher too. Upstart is rocketing. I know. There's always one that I decide to grab that's gonna have horrible price action, and it happens like once a week. Oh wow, AMD strong bounce. If you grab that above pre-market highs, AMD is now crossing 110. There goes Netflix to the upside.
It's at the point of control of 588.
Yeah, I
Let's see.
know. I
Oh,
have.
yeah, Qs are going green.
I have the runner put still, and I went and grabbed a 590 call. Nice. So I could just cut the put for green and be green on both.
There it goes. Qs are breaking a pivot point. If they hold, then yeah, tech is gonna flip green.
Yeah, this that's my 200 too. Yeah, because they could reject here.
Yeah, Qs must be carrying PayPal, I'm imagining. Yeah.
What's PayPal
That was a
doing?
nice trade on PayPal. It literally bounced off the 5 EMA, which is good.
C3AI.
Oh, it's got more in it too.
Mm.
There goes Netflix.
Yeah, there it is. At a day, PayPal's gone. Yeah, the Qs are carrying it. The Nasdaq just flipped green on the hourly.
Yo! What are you doing, Netflix, today? Why did I choose you?
3D, December $15 calls now. Alpha November Yankee.
That's alright, we made some guapo on that. Alright, I'm watching PayPal too. This one looks really good. For that
Yeah,
break above
we might
highs
get
there.
things flipping green, dude. The VIX is heading now below 1680. Again, Fed with a deflation. The Fed's idea of deflation is just pump the markets at every support. Oh god damn, dude, the Qs are ripping. Holy shit.
Fuck, yeah, look at the go. Alright, I'm cutting the put, I guess, on Netflix. I'm about to. Yo, PayPal, though.
Yep, here comes the Fed. Yeah, Nvidia had a day. Netflix is still struggling with its ATR. Oh my god, these giant green candles are screaming at me to short.
What? Short what?
Everything.
Alright. Cutting. I'm cutting it at that control point we were talking about. There's Netflix.
61.7 on the ISM non-manufacturing
All right,
PMI.
I'm out of the put.
61.5 was the consensus.
And I might be able to go in the money on this call. Nice dip grab. Come on.
Yeah, she's gonna go with the money. You're gonna get squeezed right now like no tomorrow when you get over that pivot.
Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
In the money.
Let's go.
Is that Caucasian?
What's with these shoes drop? What the hell? Hey, Rogo, go back to sleep, bro. Don't wake up already. Go to sleep. Alright, guys, I'm talking about the stock.
I was just gonna say, dog stock? What?
Yesterday when I screamed Roku, he started barking at me.
Wow, PayPal, dude! I just grabbed a 290 just in case things went crazy, but
You're with the 90s today, huh?
I know, right? What is it? 590 on PayPal, 590 on.
Go play 590 and 290.
There you go. There we go. Come on,
Who will
PayPal.
dock you?
PayPal doesn't have a lot of volume
Bro, don't feel bad if you sold too short, man. Like too soon, man. You got profits, dude. Imagine
On
seeing
what?
your 30TE expire. No, cause SS. Oh, mobile, that's a grown ass dog, man. Stop showing me that dog. That dog better pay rent.
Wow. This big dog. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Come on, can we get a Netflix AI? What do we got actually coming in on the AI bots? Anything?
These are 590 calls. Those are in the money now. Huh?
Yeah, I grabbed it. Yeah, see, that's what I did with the. I actually cut the put green, and then right when I saw. Okay, so right when that reversed, the rule of thumb is 3 times in a break. So once it bounced and it gapped up and then above the 9, I went ahead and grabbed a 590 because it was like, all right, at this point, right, my put screen, if it's gonna go test downtrend, I'll be green on that.
You're gonna go in the money on PayPal soon.
Are you serious? Oh my god.
This thing is
Let's
going
go!
stupid, bro. The Fed said bad numbers. That means we haven't met our job yet. Pump it.
Oh,
Damn,
man.
look at Nvidia, dude. I should have taken Nvidia. I knew I should have.
Papa Pal.
KSU,
Let's go,
Kansas
Papa.
City Southern.
Jerome.
Special meeting of shareholders until
Such
September.
strong printing fingers.
I'm surprised Congress hasn't told him, Jerome, you're making kids millionaires with your pumps.
You changed this world. You changed the world, Jerome.
Young Powell.
Nah, but nothing like that guy that told, bro, this is like.
Let's go, dude. Let's go.
The guy looked at him squared in the face and said, Mr. Chairman, we asked you to save the market during March. We did not ask you to take it to all times high.
That's Kilo Sandy Uniform.
Someone said that to him?
November
Yeah, dude, I
28th.
swear to God, one of Congress, bro.
Charlie
I was
Papa.
like, whoa.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I was like, wow. Wow,
All right,
PayPal's going stupid, dude.
Yeah, I'm thinking about cutting Netflix. Oh, I'm watching the one. What am I doing? Oh, I'm trying to see whether we're actually gonna go. I don't know, Manny. I still feel like this thing will fake out.
Oh yeah, the market, 100%, and not even that. The Nasdaq is running into the HMA right now on the hourly. But it is what it is, dude. There's always reasons for us to cut, right? And then the things just keep ripping. But
Yeah,
it's
it's
just
like
risk management. You get what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, my risk
So if you
management's telling
made good
me.
money, dude, it's Friday. It's a long weekend. Just enjoy your money. That's what I do. I have not taken a single trade since Riot.
Dude, AMD. John, did you catch AMD?
Oh yeah, I saw him type it. That shit probably went stupid with the Nasdaq.
Did you guys?
Wow.
Did you guys short GM? Oh, sorry, I couldn't
Nice,
even.
John.
I
What
couldn't
a
even-
Volume.
Woo, John,
Bro.
let's go, baby.
The one day I'm not on live at Open, you're on, Manny?
Oh,
Really?
bro. Oh my God. Oh shit.
Whoa,
Really,
did I?
bro?
Am I?
Thanks for letting me know.
Papa no yell.
Okay.
All right, come on, high of day, PayPal. Let's go. A high
feel
of
like-
pre-market highs, 591. Let's go.
I feel like death, bro. I went to bed at 4.
Yeah, I was just letting you sleep. I was like, unless I'm on live, he's gonna get up and then he's gonna not sleep and
Alright,
overtrade.
Don't
Well, I
double
just
top
got
here.
in-
Ah!
I got an Amazon at the bottom. I'm up 140%.
Oh God.
Sick.
I only
I think
traded
you're
Riot
going
today. I'm
take
just
a
watching
profit.
everything go up.
Yo, where do you see? I'm on my phone. I'm not even trading on my computer. Where do you see the next hourly resistance on Amazon?
Hold on.
Hey, where'd you go, PayPal?
Well, that's the thing, dude. The hourly right now,
Mm-hmm.
we literally bounced the 236 fib from the highs of September 1st.
Yeah.
So the point of control is at 3467.
3, 4, 6, 7.
But
Oh,
right
so
now-
I'm right at it. I'm right under it.
Yeah, right now you're just rejecting holding above 3460, and then also the 5 EMA. The 9 EMA is right above the point of control.
Okay.
But
Alright,
market
so-
goes green at the rate that the market's going. It's gonna end up green by the end of the day. This is crazy. This is bad news. Market goes green. Good news. Market goes greener.
What was the bad news this morning? Why did we tank?
Dude, the NFP numbers.
Well, how bad were they?
Bad.
Instead of 700, we only got 200. They were bad, dude. Like that's not good.
The non-farm payroll?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Run it, baby. Let's
Yeah, dude.
go.
So that's why the market is green, because that means the Fed. Remember what they said on Jackson Hole. Their unemployment goal has not been met.
No, it's
Their
not
all-time
gonna be
high
met.
goal has not been met.
No.
5,000.
Apple. What the fuck? Sorry.
What is that, Big Fed, bro? Oh no. I'm not. Nope. Those are ascending triangles. Bro, I have PTSD with ascending triangles. I listen, Garrett knows. You guys remember Nvidia and Fubo and Baba?
Nvidia got you good.
Oh, dude, Nvidia at the beginning of the year was slapping me up like I was no
The
tomorrow.
Qs are engulfing that red candle pretty bad here on the 5.
PayPal is just profit taking right now. Just give it a minute. Everything always gotta have blowback. If things are just green, I'd be worried. Shit.
Not unless you got the bottom.
Yo, yeah, we got the bottom. I wouldn't be worried. Yeah.
AMD's pulling back though. Yeah.
Patience, man. Patience is the name of the game.
Shit.
Anytime I have not had patience, my P&L has shown it.
Virtue. You know what I'm thinking I'm gonna do today, bro? And I actually really need it. Is I'm gonna go get another IV drip.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Where's Amazon? How stupid is Amazon going? Oh,
Damn, Netflix. What is that open?
yeah.
Yeah, we shorted it.
That's the
Oh,
shit
nice.
that Tesla
And then
does,
we,
dude.
yeah, and then we, I actually left a runner and then cut it and took calls. Now I'm-
Nice, dude. Your premiums held up pretty well in the chop.
Not the last one, no.
No.
No, because IV.
Yeah.
Tesla's trying to get over the H. If Tesla sends the ATR at 733, it's gonna go to 740. If volume is volume.
Yo, did you see the Amazon news that came out yesterday? Amazon will build a team to determine when to remove content violating. I didn't know about this, dude. Shit. Wow. I'm surprised they're pulling that move after Apple just said that they're changing their mind about the
what
whole
the
thing.
fuck? Netflix. What scammy ass price action right now? What the fuck?
Yeah, dude, Amazon's doing the same shit. Get your shit together, Jeffrey. Get your shit together.
Russell's fucking about to dump. I don't know if we're gonna. Yeah, look, fucking Qs are about to pull back, dude. What's the flow looking like right now? A CRM 270, 1015, 270 strikes, calls. Microsoft 305, 1015s.
Oh, by the way, is anybody here a teacher that you guys need books or something for your school or whatever? If you do, if you're a teacher and you need books, like hit me up. I'll donate some books to you guys. I've been doing it to pretty much all my old schools. I don't know what's happening. There's a book shortage. Can you believe this shit?
That's
A book
crazy.
shortage?
Yeah, like kids don't have books, dude. They have the library closed on public schools. They don't let the kids go to the library. That's ridiculous.
Stupid. That's stupid.
Yeah.
Book shortage. Well, why would you need books when you can just
MTC,
download all the PDFs for free online?
Neuro
That's for
One
the kids, you know,
Medical
kids are-
Technology Corporation
I'd rather
shares
just
popping
download
here
them for free. Dude,
and
I
hosted on a
stopped
circuit
paying
breaker.
when I was in
That's
college.
November
I
Michael
paid for
Tango
textbooks
Charlie.
my first year. That's it. Never had to pay for another textbook because I downloaded them all for free.
That's the name of the game, Stutter.
Well, dude, all these people were going to the bookstore and spending like $2,000 a semester on books. I was like, y'all are dumb.
God damn it, Netflix.
Hey,
I left one runner. and it's gone red. So
I'm gonna swing Hut, Steven. I'm not sure if you got in with me or you were in prior to joining the group, but I have a low 6 average. I'm not near my equity account. I'm trading options on my phone right now.
Trading options on my phone right now on NFT Fridays. Oh my gosh.
Bro, I just need Amazon to go to 34.
Jesus fucking Christ, dude. What the fuck?
Is the Qs. It's fucking bad.
DD Global, September
Scammy price
10.5
action.
calls active now, about 1,400
Where's the
contracts.
next support for the Qs?
Delta India.
380. Oh, well, here's the thing. Before you make any drastic decisions, the Qs are bouncing. They're 5 EMA right now. NVIDIA.
Here's the thing, bro. If they don't, it's
Right.
10-12, homie. We haven't made we actually made a new high by 10:05.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. If we push a new high now, then
Early
everything's
report
safe.
that
Fuck.
Yeah.
China was looking to take DD Global under state
Oh, the
control.
Dow is already V-shaping as well.
Shares of DD Global.
How's SPY?
High today was $9.60. Now at $9.38, up about 6.5% for Delta India.
Oh, so Netflix got pulled back by SPY, and so did Amazon. They didn't get pulled back by the Qs, did they?
No,
Because the
look
chart
at
on
Netflix.
the chart on Netflix looks very similar to SPY.
Oh yeah, I see that now. Yeah, it does. Well, it's the same fucking chart.
I played it all in range this morning. That's so stupid. Like, I literally
Oh,
scalped
dude,
it
but
in
like,
range. It's
you ma-
crazy.
You made 100% in the range, dude. Like what?
Yeah. I played it both up and down, too.
You played
I'm
a
not
track. You know,
mad.
like what you played was basically a rectangle, right?
Yeah, I
That's
did.
how I trade rectangles on FX. Just short the top, buy the bottom.
Yeah, if it doesn't break for that third time, I usually just take a call.
BTRS with Taris.
Shit, I could have held both.
Call sweep.
Motherfuckers, I could have cut the call at the top and then held the put.
$15 now off the highs. That's Victor Tango Romeo Sandy.
Did Qued get out safely?
I have no idea.
Oh, this is crazy. Oh shit, my mortgage just charged me twice.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Sam, my average is like low 6s. I think it's like 620 or 630, something like that. And Hut. Watch the banks.
Yo,
Georgian State.
what the...
Banks. Let's see what GS is doing.
Dude, I told you I had that feeling in my gut on Netflix. And I didn't listen to it. Yo, look at GM.
Yo, Bank of America, great demand zone pop. Look at that, Manny Garrett.
What is it?
Hold on.
Bank of America, BAC. If you look at the hourly, the bounce.
You don't see more downside?
On Bank of America.
Yeah.
Let me look at the hourly again. I'm just looking at my phone, on my phone.
All right, guys, I gotta call it bang.
All right.
Hope
Yeah,
everybody was
bro.
green. Have a good day, guys.
Take
You
care,
too, man. Good hearing from you, bro.
Good job, bro.
It's possible if we don't hold 41 even, I could definitely see downside.
Why do I want to short Netflix so badly? It's like in my bones, dude.
It's in your bones.
Am I revenge trading? Maybe.
Are you?
I don't
Do you think you are revenge trading? That's the true question.
know. Not really, but let's see here. Netflix, PayPal, completely reversed. Gaming price action. That's a Friday for you with bad data.
Sam,
I'm taking this bet on Netflix, dude. I'm taking it down.
Sam, what are you talking about for Bank of America? Or are you talking about Hut? For Hut? No, I'm not in. I'm in equity, Sam.
Hold on. So.
I had like 1,000 shares at one point, and then now I'm down to like 400 or 500 shares. I think I sold half.
Google call 12900 121. So long. I cannot imagine Netflix rebounding out of this setup right here.
We've seen the market doing the crazier things, man.
Coinbase is moving. Ethereum's about to touch 4,000.
That's
Ethereum's at 4 already?
Yeah, it's just like $20 away.
I think I
Dude,
loaded
you know
the
when
boat
that
on
thing hits
Ethereum.
4, it's gonna take off.
Yeah, bro.
Just got a break for. Okay, motherfucker. Sorry. Talking about my contract right now.
Let's go.
You green on the day?
Yeah, bro.
Nice.
Doing good.
Good job. Everybody else green? You guys green today?
See?
Yeah, I'll let you know what contract I take. Probably the 585, to be honest with you, but it's just getting... I'm not going to take it yet. It's still inside this range, so... Let's see the Qs. Qs really are flagging in some ways. The Russell's really the one that's rebounding the most with the S&P. Okay, there it is. Okay, well, there it is. Holy shit, Netflix. Fuck. Sorry. God damn, that thing is flying. To the downside, it's about to rip.
You said the Netflix is flying?
To the downside. Sorry, I'm just thinking. I have a different
Oh.
version of rip. Like,
I was like, what? Whoa, Netflix.
yeah, dude, that's why I fucking had that feeling in my gut, dude. I was like, no, this thing is going down.
Okay, so SPY is not doing that. What about the Qs? The Qs are pulling back, but nowhere near at the same rate.
I kind of missed that contract, y'all. If anybody grabbed that 585 put, I think this is we're going down here. I'm really frustrated with that right there. It's been a frustrating week, I'm not gonna lie. Damn it, man.
Zoned it up.
Did you hold that?
Damn, Snake.
Oh, you got back in. Alright, well, good job. I did not. I just grabbed a 580.
But
Yeah. I could see 580.66 today. I really wish I would have.
I'll grab one with you. If we get like a little tiny.
We just retested. If we retest 585, that's fine. But yeah, I'm short that. PayPal though, what is PayPal doing? Probably just gonna.
NMTC resuming trade now following a circuit
Crazy,
breaker
though.
halt at a high of $6.10. November Michael Tango, Charlie.
NMTC unhalted.
NMTC.
Yep.
What is that? Neuro Medical. Oh damn, this thing's already halted twice.
NMTC halted now on a circuit breaker on the way down. November Michael Tango Charlie.
How's Sony doing right now? What's Sony doing? It's holding up okay.
Oh, NMTC's holding again? What the Okay. Are you still in that Sony swing, or did you take profit this morning?
Took profit this morning.
Nice. Nice.
If Netflix reverses, dude, I'm done for the day. I'm like not gonna keep trading. That's insanity. If it doesn't reject here, if it V-shaped right now, I would absolutely stop trading for the day.
Well, dude, I will say the price action today on it is the wildest thing I've ever seen at the open. And you know what it reminds me of? Remember that day where Apple traded in a like 75-cent range for 3 hours? That's what it looks like. Even though it's not 75 cents, but it's Netflix is a much larger price stock. Apple literally did that, and that was the most annoying thing ever. Like, we got chopped up in a few hours that day.
I remember that. It's back up above that control point, 586. This is crazy. No way.
Wow.
No way, dude.
I have not seen that happen.
I'm not red. I'm frustrated. I'm green. I just entered it light, it's showing weakness, so it's likely gonna reverse. But if it did V-shape, this isn't enough for me to think it's going to the upside. But it's just ridiculous.
You know when they say the trend is your friend, this is when you say what fucking trend?
Yeah, well, technically, I mean, you're making lower highs. I mean, look at this trend.
No, I mean, like...
I found it. I just figured out what the fuck's happening here. Sorry. Excuse my language.
Go ahead.
Oh, wow. Look at that. We're in a channel. We're in a falling wedge. This thing could... This is... 1, 2, 3... 15 minute. Let me pull the 15 minute. No way.
Jose.
Okay, we better break this. This better be where we break. The way Garrett apologizes every time he curses. Oops.
That's hilarious.
How dare you, Netflix? That's what you get. Die.
Let's see if there's anything halting that's worth trading.
I don't know. Probably gonna go ahead and hop off.
I might get a trade in or two and then probably just call it a day. I feel awful, man. I went to bed at 4 a.m.
Waiting for
Not on purpose, shit. I was working until 4. I had really tight deadlines. I had to submit some stuff today that got thrown on my plate last minute.
Guys, I'm throwing an order at 25.50 on IMPL. I'm tired of this price action on Netflix. This is crazy. And if this is a flag, this thing could actually do this today. It could just chop around like this. It could absolutely do this. It's just
NMTC resuming again. November Michael Tango
It's going
Charlie.
up, dude. It's gonna go up. It's about to go
Shares
up.
hopping to $6.10 at the high.
I'm done with it. I can't do
Now
it.
at
I can't trade this fucking stock.
$5.54. November Michael Tango Charlie 01 Medical.
Fuck off, man. Come on, Netflix. This is absolutely ridiculous, man.
Wait, it sucks when it gets that bad, man. When it gets so choppy.
That is absolutely just insane. Just trying to beat you out of the trade in this case. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? I think I might end up just buying Sony.
The company?
No, to swing.
Yeah, I was just
buying it out.
That's okay. Yeah. So you know what, bro? I'm tired of this Netflix BS. I'm gonna buy Sony.
I'll buy the whole company out.
And I'm gonna challenge Netflix. I mean, you could, honestly, with the amount of crap that Sony has produced.
Yeah, right.
You could challenge Netflix.
Well, if all these production companies started making their own streaming services, then Netflix would die.
Oh, I mean, well, dude, so a lot of people don't realize how much money Viacom, for example, gets from Netflix.
Yeah, right.
Viacom gets a ton of cash, dude. A lot of this stuff that's, released on Netflix gets produced at Viacom. It's got to get produced somewhere. Bitcoin getting really close to 51K.
Yeah, it's at 59.
MDB. I like that one. MDB.
Dude. Why did I choose Netflix today? Alright, I'm going to hop off YouTube. Pretty much done here for the day. Hopefully you guys are green. I'll probably take Sony for a call. That's about it. Alright.